Hello, good morning students. Welcome in SDIT online classes. मैं रामपाल प्रजापत from electrical department. Dear students, आज की इस लेक्चर में हम स्टडी करेंगे सर्किट एनालिसिस पार्ट 21 and for today class our topic is two-port network. In this chapter we will discuss about two-port network and its parameters such as Z parameters, that is impedance parameter, second admittance parameter or Y parameter, H parameters and so on. So first we discuss about two-port network. What is a two-port network? A two-port network is a pair of two terminals. It is a pair of two-terminal electrical network in which current enters through one terminal and leaves through other terminal of each port. So two-port network representation is shown in figure below. Here there is a two-terminal linear network and its input is voltage is V1, output voltage is V2, input current is I1 and output current is I2. So here one pair of terminals, that is 1 dash, represents one port which is called as port 1, and other pair of terminals that is represented by 2 dash, that is another port which is called port 2. So the complete network is called two-port network because there are two ports. So there are four variables V1, V2, I1 and I2 in a two-port network as shown in figure, out of which we can choose two variables as independent and another two variables as dependent. So we will get 6 possible pair of equations. In 4 variables, 2 variables are considered as independent variable and another 2 variables are dependent variable. So we get 6 possible pair of equations. So these equations represent the dependent variable in terms of independent variable. The coefficient of independent variable are called as parameters. Means coefficient of independent variables are known as parameters of two-port network. So each pair of equation will give a set of 4 parameters. Means at each port provides 4 parameters. So there are types of two-port network parameters such as Z parameter, that is impedance parameter, Y parameter, it is known as admittance parameter, T parameter, it is known as transmission parameter, H parameter and G parameter. These are the different parameters in a two-port network. So in this lecture we will discuss about Z parameters. What are the Z parameters? and how these parameters can be obtained. So we'll get the following set of two equations by considering the variable v1 and v2 as dependent and I1 I2 as independent. So the coefficient of independent variables I1 and I2 are called as Z parameters. Means simply if V1 is equal to I1 Z11 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So the Z parameters are Z11 is equal to V1 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. Means the value of Z11 in the given network can be obtained when the value of current I2 in the network is 0 and the ratio of, in this case, the ratio of V1 to I1 represents Z11. Similarly, it is also known as open circuit parameter. So Z12 is equal to V1 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0. In this case, to find value of Z12, input current I1 is considered as 0. It means input port is open circuited. And we obtain the ratio of V1 to I2, that is Z12. Similarly, Z21 is equal to V2 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. In this case, port 2 terminals are kept open circuited and we obtain the ratio of V2 upon I1 that represents Z21 and Z22 is equal to V2 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0. Means Z22 is the ratio of V2 upon I2 when input port is open circuited. So these are the different four parameters, Z parameters, that is Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. So these Z11 and Z22 are known as open circuited impedance parameters and Z12 and Z21 are known as transfer parameters, or Z11 and Z22 are Z parameters of the circuit are also known as driving point parameters. But Z12 and Z21 are known as transfer parameters because in these parameters the ratio of quantities are of both the ports, such as Z12 is V1 of port 1 and I2 of port 2, and in Z21 V2 of port 2 and I1 port of 1. So these are known as transfer parameters. So we take an example to find Z parameter. So in the given question, find Z parameter for the given network. So in this network, we consider input voltage. This is port 1 and this is port 2. Voltage is V1, current is I1. Similarly, at port 2, voltage is V2 and current is I2. And there are three resistance of 10, 10 and 20 ohm as shown in circuit. So to obtain Z parameter, we write two equations or KVL equations at both the ports. So at port number 1 we write KVL equation, or directly we can obtain the value of Z11, that is the ratio of V1 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. I2 is equal to 0 means port 2 is open circuit, port 2 is open, so I2 is equal to 0. Now V1 is equal to 10 plus 20 into I1. So V1 upon I1 is equal to 30 ohm. This is the value of Z11, that is driving point impedance at port 1. Similarly, Z21 is equal to V2 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0. It means in this case I2 is equal to 0, we take the ratio of V2 upon I1. So when terminal 2 is open, then V2 is the voltage across 20 ohm. So V2 is equal to, here V2 is equal to 20 into I1. Okay, so the ratio of V2 upon I1 is equal to 20 ohm. This is transfer impedance from port 2 to 1, from port 1 to 2. Now let's connect one voltage source V2 at output port and leave the input port as open as shown below. So in this case I1 is equal to 0 because port 1 is open. Port 1 is open, so I1 is equal to 0. And V1 is the voltage across 20 ohm, and V2 is another voltage source. So in this case we obtain the value of Z22, that is the ratio of V2 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0, and V2 is equal to 10 plus 20 into I2. V2 is equal to 10 plus 20 into I of 2. So the ratio V2 upon I2 is equal to 30 ohm. And similarly Z12 is equal to V1 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0. So V1 is equal to 20 into I2. So V1 upon I2 is equal to 20 ohm. This is the value of Z12. So we have obtained in this network Z11 is 30 ohm, Z12 is 20 ohm, Z21 is 20 ohm, and Z22 is also 30 ohm. So here the value of Z11 is equal to Z22 and Z12 is equal to Z21. When in a two-port network we get Z11 is equal to Z22. We can say this network is symmetrical network since here V1 upon I1 when I2 is equal to 0 is equal to V2 upon I2 when I1 is equal to 0. So this network is symmetrical network. Or when Z12 is equal to Z21, in this case we can say that a two-port network is known as reciprocal network means the ratio of response to excitation at both the ports remains same. Then in such condition, network is known as reciprocal network. So Z parameters are called as impedance parameters because these are simply the ratio of voltage and current. Until units of Z parameter are in ohms, so we can calculate two Z parameters, Z11 and Z21, by doing open circuit of port 2. Simply we calculate the other two Z parameters, Z21 and Z22, by doing open circuit of port 1. Hence the Z parameters are also called as open circuit impedance parameters. So in this chapter or in this class we have studied about the two-port network and its Z parameters. So the value of two-port network parameters in a two-port network can be obtained by open circuiting. Z parameters are considered as open circuit parameters of the two-port network. So value of Z parameters we can directly obtain, and we can also obtain by writing KVL equations at both the ports. Simply parameters can also be obtained. Here we can write KVL equation at port number 1 and KVL equation at port number 2. So V1 is equal to, at port V1 is equal to 10 I1 plus 20 I1 plus I2, and V2 is equal to 10 I2 plus 20 I1 plus I2. So when we write KVL equation at port number 1, then V1 is considered is equal to 10 I1 plus 20 I1 plus I2, and we write at port 2 V2 is equal to 10 I2 plus 20 I1 plus I2. So when we simplify these equations, we obtain V1 is equal to 30 I1 plus 20 I2, and V2 is equal to 20 I1 plus 30 I2. So from these two equations we can directly obtain the value of Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22 by making a matrix form. In a matrix form we can write V1 V2 is equal to Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22 constant, and matrix 2 is equal to I1, I2. So this is the procedure of finding Z parameters in a two-port network. In next class we will discuss about admittance parameters or Y parameters, which are known as short circuit parameters of the network, two-port network. So when we get solution for admittance parameter or Y parameter at port 1, port 2 terminals will be short circuited, and when we write equation at port 2, then port one terminals will be short circuited. So this procedure will be done for calculating the admittance parameter of the network. So the simply procedure will be, for admittance parameters we will get set of two equations by considering the variables I1 and I2 as dependent and V1 and V2 as independent. The coefficient of independent variables V1 and V2 are called as admittance parameters or Y parameters. Simply I1 is equal to Y11 V1, Y12 V2 and I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So here Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22 are known as admittance parameters or short circuit parameters. How the value of short circuit parameters is calculated in two-port network will be discussed in next lecture. Okay, thank you for today class.